Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the keyboard's USB-C interface and that it runs on standard 5V. Next, choose your path. Use a wireless USB adapter or mod the keyboard internally. If you want a non-invasive quick fix, get a USB-C to USB adapter plus a Bluetooth or two. 4 GHz receiver. If you plan internal conversion, make sure you have a donor wireless PCB, soldering iron, flux, and a multimeter. Once ready, power off and open the case carefully to expose the controller. Now you map the controller. Identify VBus, GND, and matrix rows/calls so you won't lose your layout when swapping. If using an internal wireless board, route the matrix lines to the new controller's pin header and preserve diode orientation. If using a wireless dongle, solder a stable 5V and ground feed to power an adapter board. Once wired, flash QMK or compatible firmware, enabling BLE HID or a USB HID proxy, so the keyboard. Finish by reassembling and testing every key with your firmware's key tester while powered by the intended battery or USB supply. Pair the device with your computer or phone. Make sure BLE advertising and security settings are correct. Monitor current draw. If brownouts happen, add a bulk capacitor or a soft power circuit. If things go wrong, methodically recheck solder joints, continuity on matrix traces, and that the firmware pin map matches your wiring. Make sure you can fall back to wired mode for recovery if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.